Welcome to our IKEA new arrival showcase for March 2026. From stylish furniture to clever kitchen tools and colorful home accessories, we've rounded up the latest pieces to refresh your space. Whether you're sprucing up your living room, upgrading your outdoor gear, or adding playful touches to your home, these products have something for everyone. Let's explore. 1. SOLUPPGÅNG Cast Iron Grill. Take your grilling outdoors with this sturdy cast iron grill. Heat spreads evenly for perfectly cooked fish, vegetables, or small cuts of meat. Its practical handles make it easy to move, and vents boost airflow for higher temperatures. Ideal for picnics, backyard gatherings, or casual outdoor meals. 2. SOLUPPGÅNG Knife. Black, a versatile knife for chopping, slicing, or filleting, whether at home or outdoors. The black-coated stainless steel blade is balanced and durable, while the walnut handle ensures comfort. Comes with a protective case for safe storage and lasting sharpness. 15-year limited warranty included. 3. LILLESÄTER pouffe, Axvall off-white. Soft, sculpted design meets functional seating in this elegant pouffe. Foam filling offers medium-firm comfort for sitting or resting your feet. Works alone or paired with other LILLESÄTER pieces. Boucle Axvall fabric adds texture and style, suitable even for public spaces. 4. MARKBLÅMME rug, multicolor check pattern. Bring warmth and color to any room with this low-pile rug. Vibrant reds and pinks form bold checks and stripes, while varied pile heights create a tactile feel. Soft underfoot and effective at dampening sound. Perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. 5. TOFSAND tablecloth, light pink. Set a cheerful summer table with this light pink polyester tablecloth. Recycled material resists wrinkles, dries quickly, and fits tables for 4 to 6 people. Perfect for protecting surfaces while adding a subtle decorative touch. 6. HÄRLIR duvet cover and pillowcase. Twin lively pink florals brighten the bedroom with this cotton/lyocell blend set. Soft, breathable, and moisture-absorbing, it combines comfort with durability. A stylish and easy care choice for everyday sleep. 7. MOSPLIM floor uplighter/reading lamp. Marble, oak, and frosted glass create a timeless look. Provides both ambient uplighting and adjustable reading light. Separate switches and a heavy base make it practical, stylish, and easy to use in any room. 8. Hemnes bench with shoe storage. White functional seating meets smart storage. Perfect for entryways or bedrooms, it offers a comfortable place to sit while keeping shoes organized and out of sight. 9. Gumpissling. LED light with sensor illuminate dark cabinets instantly with this motion sensor light. Battery-powered and easy to mount, it directs light where you need it and turns off automatically after 10 seconds. Compact, practical, and efficient. 10. Skogsnäsla curtains, white/blue floral soft lyocell and hemp fabric gently filters light while creating airy summer vibes. Heading tape allows versatile mounting on rods or rails, while durable hemp adds texture and longevity. 11. SOLUPPGÅNG folding table, eucalyptus lightweight and foldable with a weather-resistant frame. This table is ideal for picnics or outdoor lunches. Compact and portable, yet sturdy enough to enjoy meals anywhere. 12. SOLUPPGÅNG bag, mixed colors, a versatile bag for everyday adventures. Durable polyester, expandable drawstring closure, and handy outer pocket. Make it perfect for shopping, picnics, or trips to the park. Machine washable and easy to carry. 13. Have Stulpin Pizza Peel stainless steel/beach handle. Homemade pizzas with precision, using this sturdy stainless steel peel with a beach handle. Ideal for ovens or pizza stones, and versatile enough for bread or pastries. Durable, easy to clean, and professional feeling. 14. Morcula scented candle. Lilac. Bring floral lilac aromas and colorful charm to your table or home. Plant-based wax, 12-hour burn time, and reusable glass jar make it practical and decorative for parties or cozy evenings. 15. Persico Tread cushion cover, blue/leaf. Soft cotton cover with a flowing leaf pattern adds a touch of elegance to seating or bedding. Easy to remove and machine wash for everyday freshness. 16. Hangzell plant pot, light pink cute. Flower-shaped earthenware pot adds character while showcasing your plant. Durable material is perfect for everyday use and easy styling in any room. 17. Jernveg rug, low pile, ornament pattern. Classic-inspired modern rug with soft beige tones. Durable synthetic fibers resist stains and wear, making it perfect for high-traffic areas while remaining easy to clean. 18. Mercenap cushion, beige-white/embroidery. Two-sided cushion with embroidery or stripes offers a handcrafted feel. Made from recycled polyester, it's soft, washable, and adds decorative texture to any living space. 19. SCAFSERV LED, decorative light dynamic. LED light pulsates with music or gaming sounds, enhancing the atmosphere. Multiple colors and rainbow effects, usable standing or lying flat, make it perfect for immersive experiences. 20. TOFSAND cooler bag, pink/orange. Keep food and drinks chilled on outdoor adventures. Insulated, colorful, and made of recycled polyester. This cooler bag is easy to clean and perfect for picnics, hikes, or beach trips. That's a wrap on IKEA's newest products for March 2026. Which one is your favorite? From cozy rugs and playful poofs to handy kitchen tools and vibrant accessories, there's plenty to inspire your next home update. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the details and make your IKEA picks today. See you next time for more home inspiration.